Hello. I didn't see you there. How much dorkier could I get when I'm making these videos? Well, hopefully it brings in those good vibes for you whenever you're checking things out. So I've begun a new eye treatment and I'm veering away from my Kiehl's because Kiehl's is just, you're getting such a small bang for your buck, It's not as much as I would like. And also, I'm not so certain about all of their ingredients. And yet, derm.one Health has now developed an eye cream for someone like me who has very sensitive eyes. So you can tell, even if I slightly mess with the side of my eyes, I will get a little redness. Hey, what's up, LJ? I've been super impressed this week with already noticing significant results, lack of puffiness around my already super puffy eyes that normally are there. My darkness has gone away from under the eyes. I tend to get a little pink in there. And I'm so pleased. They are so well informed as well. So they've written an entire book about everything from the allergens, immune toxins, to the penetration of what toxic does to your of the toxic ingredients that are added into different face products, different hair products as well, that are approved by the cosmetic industry and still noted as natural ingredients. Well, I'm so pleased to note that this company, SkinSanity, derm.one Health, has teamed up with his wife to write out this booklet of how you can be better informed about what's going into your products. She's listed everything in there. So whenever you go to check out what your order will be, how you're going to go through the process, if you were worried about anything that's going into your body or skin, they've made sure that this is a skin sensitive approved product. Okay. We're working with different bladderwrack extract, a brown seaweed rich in vitamins, minerals, trace elements, and fatty acids. When applied topically, it has been proven to promote collagen production, thus improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That could also come from my little puffiness right in here. Now, I already had that because I was playing with the dogs earlier and got a little rough house and because I had to like pull back against my eyes. But I've been so pleased to notice significant results around my eyes, especially, I'm staying over here on the boardwalk, so I'm not maybe getting the best amount of sleep. You don't notice that. I look like I'm refreshed. Thank goodness for things like this. The science behind these products for your skin are so important nowadays. You have to be aware that the ingredients that are going in are going straight into the largest organ in your body. You want to make sure that also whatever you're getting supports FPF. So whenever I'm applying this, I know that I'm going to get some sun control for my skin. I'm going to make sure that my skin is nice and clean before I put it on. They let you know how it's used. Everything's super clean and clear. I mean, with the machine right here, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'm able to read everything without my glasses on, which is a big sign of greatness for a product that's gone ahead. It is made in England. They have an extremely strict policy with how they're making their all their cosmetics there. So we've got everything from radish root to white lily flower extract. We've got another Mira Puma bark stem extract that's from South America. It's used in the cosmetic industry as a skin conditioning agent. Sumu root extract that boosts powerful adaptogenics and antioxidants that shield the skin from environmental aggressors like UV radiation. I am in just ingredient heaven right now. Back to how amazing this is. You are at 15% off today, $38.20, $44.95 is the normal. So a product like this for me has costed me $80. I only allow myself to buy something this nice once a year. Now, this is half that price with ingredients that I know and trust from a company that shows you the scientific results and the test results and everything that's going into it that I will learn about and know that I'm getting the best of the best for my skin, and I'm going to consistently within the first week already see significant results. In my family, my grandmother had aged skin, and because she was able to maintain her regimen of oils in the evening and her lotions in the morning, she was able to maintain the tightness in her skin. But over the other generations, when they didn't have access to that, you can see in my family's lineage that we tend to age more around the eyes and up in the forehead area. So even though it is for the age, a little bit, one little pump goes a long way. I can apply that to that center area and do a nice little massage in and around, making sure that these lines get the love that they need. Any stress lines, any stress showings are not going to be showing up today. It's also self-care Saturday, so that means that we get to relax our brow a bit more than we did on Mondays or Tuesdays or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm extremely happy with them, and I'm happy to know that it's a brand that genuinely cares. So whenever you get one of their products, you're also going to get this little booklet that lets you know about everything that's going on with their research on these products. It starts off with personal care products should support your health and not compromise it. If any of the products contain ingredients in this list, they are either banned in the EU or are being closely watched because they are known or suspected to have negative health impacts. Protect your health now. It goes on to letting you know about petrochemicals and the type of petroleum that's going on within your skin, neurotoxins, endocrine disrupting chemicals. All these things are added into our bodies, into our mascara, into our eyeshadows. Then think about it. If you're putting on foundation and you're applying it to your neck and up here, you have the most amount of lymph nodes within your facial structure going down your neck. So anytime I've done something naughty, like, I don't know, binged eat a box of little Milanos because it's been a long time since I've had Milano cookies. And maybe it's been a challenging week and I end up breaking out a little bit along my neck. The last thing I want to do is put something to cover that area that's now going to add even more toxins. I'm trying to get rid of the toxins after I just put them in my body. So whenever you are doing an application, be aware of the type of products and their ingredients are being applied directly to these vital sourced areas that need their oxygen and their detoxification. If you have questions, I love dropping in with you. If you have more questions about the different types of information that she's letting us know about, like nitrosamine forming chemicals. These carcinogenic 1,2,3 compounds are present in various food products that are formed in cured meats by the conversion of sodium nitrate. In the health and beauty industry, they're generated when amines mix with preservatives that can break down into nitrates. This is a type of product going into your skin. Like what? Like 1,4-dioxane. Nitrosamines are not listed on the product labels because they are impurities 4 and 5. So if you ever notice like yellow number 5 or red number 4 or blue 32, there's a reason why there's numbers. Also, please promise me you are not going to put anything in your body with red, blue, yellow, anything that's listed like that. Why they need to add in these ingredients that have been proven time and time again to have carcinogenic results, I don't know. You can do things like a blend of a turmeric eyeshadow with an all-organic company that genuinely cares about your product. But going back to this incredible Ageless eye repair, for someone that deals with chronic challenging eye bags and puffiness, I have my eyes fully open right now, and it's really nice to be able to see you guys and to know that I don't have to just apply 14 different products right now to make sure that I can not look like I have the smallest eyes in the world if I've had a challenging week. I did do the tear test. I don't know if you've ever done that with your products. I don't know if you're into astrology, but I'm a Pisces. I'm also extremely sensitive. So for me, the tear test comes when if I can cry after I've put on mascara and the mascara comes out in little slumps like this, that's a good mascara. And also if that mascara can stay on until I touch it, that's a good mascara. As long as it's all good ingredients that I know and trust. Second part of the tear test is if I can apply a product to it after I've cried, because my eyes get that red and puffy glow, that product, if you can help me drop those bags after I've had a tearful session, that wins. I get to trust that not only are your ingredients incredible and reliable and supportive of my system, but also of my physical system, in which I need to hide the fact that I just had my tear session with the world if I didn't want to present that. Not that tears have any sort of negative context in the world, which, we should be a lot more open to our emotional flow. But it is also nice to have less than the million questions whenever you're going into the world and you simply want to, all right, that was a nice release. Here we go. Let's pop all my eye cream, and there, tear test approved. Yeah, I'm super stoked. It is a half full ounce bottle that I received. For this, you will be getting the, give me 2 seconds. It's not letting me know here, but I assume it's between either a 0.5 to a 2 ounce tube. As it says, a targeted complex based on natural clinically proven botanical archives that address fine lines, puffy eyes, dry skin, or dark circles to revitalize the eye area. Sodium hyaluronate, certified organic aloe vera, and organic glycerin from Corjuna nut oil provide dual-ended benefits of moisturization and hydration. Save 15% off when you subscribe. All the products are backed by a 60-day guarantee, free next day shipping, and our charity checkout initiative means a minimum 10% of your purchase is donated to causes that help, or that you get to select. Oh my God, that's amazing! That you get to help select different charities to give back to. Not only is this a great product with great ingredients, but it's a give back. I don't know if you've been paying attention to my journey with Spin, but anytime there's a give back to the community and charity work, I'm like all about it. Let's get more philanthropy in the world. Let's get a lot more good people, good hands. Let's be better people with our products. When you use your dollar, you vote with your dollar. Okay, anyway, back to teaching you guys about whatever else they do. We formulate every product to strict green science and functional medicine principles. We are awarded a patent in 2019 for the world's first all-natural extract for treating acne. This is huge. For over 22 years, our company has been at the forefront of all natural clean beauty movement. At least 10% of every purchase goes to charities to help fight hunger, the environment, children's causes, artists and crew in the music industry hit hard by COVID, and more. Products are backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Always free shipping. So check it out. You won't have to pay shipping on top of the 15% off that you're already saving today. You don't have to go out and pay $80 to $140 from some bougie eye cream that you can't trust the ingredients for. Just know that you're getting the best of the best. Super happy to continue flaunting and doting on this line. I will continue to update you guys on my journey with my SkinSanity with the derm.one health. And this is just the first week, ladies and gents. This is just the first week. Gentlemen, you can use this too. This is also going to be absolutely incredible if you've been shaving for a long time and you feel like the fine lines. It does say eye, but it's also really great for the tender skin that is around the rest of your face, going underneath. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the journey. Send me some love. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for checking out the review. Thanks for any of your purchases. You are going to a good deed by helping me, who, I do a lot of big things with my dollars. I run, I haven't started my own nonprofit yet, but I help support a couple different tribes in Africa that I went and lived with in Kenya way back in 2017. I have since lost my job in COVID, but now I run a happy, good vibes with Spin to make sure other companies that I truly believe in are getting their voice out there in the world. So when you make a purchase, you're supporting me and you're supporting these incredible brands and these companies, and you're supporting a network of good individuals that are just doing the best for the planet, for your body, for your mind, for all of it. Ciao. Peace out. Happy Self-Care Saturday.